Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Gmail password. If you are using any phone and you want to change your Gmail passwords, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Gmail app, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap on manage your Google account. From here, just select security and sign in option, and here just scroll down and you will get password option here. Just tap on it, and here you just have to wait for until it's loading, and then you can really change your Gmail account password from here. First of all, you have to enter your password which you have. As here I have entered my password. Now tap on this next option, and from here you can easily change your password. You must have to enter your new password, then enter the password again to confirm your password, then tap on change password to change your Gmail account password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.